Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use a tool called Trace, which is used to monitor our variables values in real time. So first, let's right click application, then go to add object and select Trace. Here we can name our graph anything we want, but I'll keep it Trace. Then you have to select the main task, then click add. So here there's a graph, we can configure any variable we want. And for demonstration, I'll configure the special variables so we can visualize their changes here. So click add variable. Here I'll add post 2 seconds. Let's also change its color and then add the pulse 5 seconds. Okay, it's good to go. Now everything you have to do is right click the graph and then download trace. As you can see, we can monitor our these variables values or states right here. And if you want to change the scale of your graph, you can do it also. If you scroll your mouse wheel, you can change the x-axis scale, and if you press Ctrl and move your mouse wheel, you can change the y-axis scale. That's how you use the trace monitor tool, and I see you on the next video.